Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new about here, thanks for tuning in. Today we're off wild camping. We're going to Northford Reservoir in Stirling, just meeting up with a few friends. But today I'm taking a £10 tent out with me. It's a Quechua arpenaz. I believe it retails for £25 brand new, if you can still get it. It's an old model, but I got it for £10 second hand off somebody. So lots of rain forecast for tonight. We're going to test it out. I'm just about to head off for the campsite just now, so I'll get back to you later. Right guys, welcome back. I'm at the campsite. It's a wee bit noisy, so the next bit's probably going to be in silence while I set up this tent. But yeah, it's a beautiful view from here. I'm going to show you later on, but first of all, I'll show you me setting up this £10 tent. As you can see guys, that's the rain coming down now, so I'm going to see how this copes. You can see there's obviously raining outside in the fly. But inside, nothing, leaving any condensation. I've noticed at one point here, the inner is sticking to the fly a wee bit. But I think that's more with my foot pressing against it, so yeah, definitely done a job. espresso to the boil. Alright guys, just decided to go for a wee walk, have a cup of tea. I can talk to the camera. There's some people still in their beds, in their tents, so I don't want to make too much of a noise. But yeah, it's a beautiful wee walk down here. I'll show you in a minute, just a wee pan round. Beautiful scenery, but idiots have been done here and there is quite a bit of rubbish lying about. Obviously I'll try and grab as much as I can. Got a 10-minute walk to the car. I've got a black bag, so I'll try and fill some of it. But yeah, just going to sit and chill and relax before the rain comes down again. It's starting to spit. Right, see you in a bit. So this is where I am just now. There's a wee island out there in the middle of the reservoir. I think it might be possible to walk across to it. Don't know if it's a wee tidal island. Obviously the dam in the background. I'll spin you around and I'll show you where the campsite is. Don't know if you can make it out, but down about there's a rocky outcrop. We're just in there in the trees. But yeah, it's beautiful, peaceful, quiet. This is the bad side of wild camping in Scotland. Idiots leaving full bottles of coke, fishing bait, plastic bags, and the usual barbecues, towels, balls. These people are no campers, they're just idiots. But you're never going to get rid of it. And I've just got caught in fishing line. Anyway guys, finish off my tea and back up to camp and see what the rest of the guys are doing. Alright guys, that's me heading home now. Good wee overnighter. What a mood changer it is, just getting out into the outdoors. And the £10 Quechua tent, it done me proud. Decent bit of rainfall last night, so if you're new about here, please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. Just want to say a big thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. That's over 250 subscribers now, which I'm just well chuffed about. Also, thank you to Monty Outdoors and the gang. Thanks for inviting me along for this camp. If you haven't checked Monty Outdoors channel, check him out, he's a good guy. Also, I started this channel last year purely for my love of outdoors, and also to hopefully show people that you don't need to have lots of money in the bank to go camping. Everything I have ever purchased for camping has been under £30, from footwear to clothing to tents to sleeping mats, etc. So if you're wanting out camping but worried about having all the fancy gear, you don't need to. You can still get out there on a budget, and also it's really good for your mental health. I say it all the time in my videos, but even if you can't get out camping, go out your local park, go out for a walk. It really does change your outlook on things. So anyway guys, thanks again to everyone who subscribed, and I'll be out with more videos soon. Thanks.